Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to erase backgrounds in iPhone photos. To begin, open your Photos app and select the image containing the subject you wish to isolate. Find a photo with a clear subject, such as a person or object, and then simply long press on that subject with your finger. Your iPhone will intelligently detect and highlight the main subject, offering a clear outline. This simple action prepares the subject for further actions, making background removal incredibly straightforward. Once your subject is highlighted, a small menu will pop up, presenting you with the option to copy. Tap this copy button, and your isolated subject is instantly placed onto your iPhone's virtual clipboard. Now, navigate to any app where you want to paste the subject, like Notes, Mail, or even a messaging conversation. Simply press and hold where you want to place the image and select Paste. Your perfectly cut out subject will appear, ready for its new context. Beyond simply copying and pasting, you can use an even more dynamic method: drag and drop. After you've long pressed and lifted your subject, keep your finger held down on it. With your other hand, navigate away from the Photos app to another application, perhaps Files or Keynote. Once you're in the destination app, simply release your finger. The isolated subject will seamlessly transfer into the new application, offering a fluid and intuitive workflow for creative projects or quick edits. This powerful feature also allows you to easily create custom stickers for messaging. After isolating your subject with a long press, you will see an Add Sticker option appear in the context menu. Tapping this option automatically saves your newly created sticker. It's then conveniently stored in your emoji keyboard sticker drawer, making it readily available. You can quickly access and send your unique stickers in any conversation, adding a personal touch to your messages with just a few taps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.